Why should everyone learn to code? Hear me, your school, college, or work will require you to do some form of data insights and calculations. Will you not find yourself productive if you can use Excel to filter a column based on substring match, or use a graph to visualize your math functions? Programming languages are an essential skill to have these days. They are easy to learn if you know how to start. Choosing appropriate language is critical and depends on the task you want to achieve. In general, I have two recommendations. First, I'll recommend Python to those who do not have any prior language experience. Python is a very natural and versatile language. It is used in data processing, analytics, and web development, to name a few. Second, I will recommend JavaScript and Python to professional developers, apart from your domain language. These two languages will help immensely to achieve your tasks. Learning the first language may appear challenging, but if you follow the minimum learning technique, it will be super easy. I will post another video with the best learning resources to help you learn in most effective and fun way. So keep in touch.